Welcome back to another video for OCommerce tutorial. Every e-commerce platform has different stages under the order section. So in this video, we're going to see the different stages of after the product purchase in the OCommerce. Under OCommerce sales module, we have three menus of orders, service order and quotation order. So order is for all the general orders. Service order will show you the listing of all the service order like laptop repair, etc. if your platform provides any such service. And quotation order is for if in case your platform provides the option of quotation system. So let's see all these options one by one. On click of orders, you can see all the orders with the invoice below, and at the top you have the different status. If whenever a product is being purchased, at first it will come to the new, and then from here you can change the status, like if you want to accept the order, then to send it to warehouse or packed, send to delivery agent, etc. So such status change can be done from here. All these status are dynamic and you can add or edit these status according to your needs. So below to the listing, we can see the details about the order. So if you click on the details button, you can see the complete information about the order with the order information, the address information, the billing information, the payment, the product what they have purchased, and the summary of the order. So you can change the status of the order from here as well with any comment if you wish to have, and you can also notify this via email to the customer. Again, you can change the status from here as well in the listing page. All you have to do is click on the order, and from here in the drop down, change the status to accepted or whichever the status you want to change. Click on it and click the action button. So as you can see, the order has been moved from new to accepted. You can also assign it to a delivery agent from this way and add the order to their schedule. Just click on that, send to delivery agent, and click action. So you will get a pop-up. So here you have to schedule it for the date, select the delivery driver, add any note. You can see the invoice number over here and click submit. So it will get assigned to their schedule. So this is the orders menu. The next is the service order. If your platform provides any service, so and this all such orders will be coming to the service order menu with the details like the order reference number, invoice date, service date, time, amount, and the details. So you can change the status exactly the same way how we have seen in the orders menu. In the details, you will see all the generic information about that particular order, and you can change the status from here as well. If you wish to assign it to any service agency, click on that. You will get a pop-up where you have to add the schedule for the date, select the service agent name, add your comments and click submit, and it will be added to the service agency schedule. Same as in the case of quotation products, any such orders will be coming to here. You can provide the quotations to the customer from here itself, and in the listing you can see the various customer details as well, including the customer information. So currently we don't have any quotation orders to show you. In all these options you will have a filter option as well, and in the orders list you can create a manual order as well from. So these are the various steps involved after the product purchase in the OCommerce admin panel. It's easy and organized in a way so that it can be managed easily in few steps until the product is received by the customer. So yeah, that's it we have in this video. Thank you for watching this video, and see you all in another video with a new topic.